हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर में यूनिट नंबर सेकंड के अंदर ले रहे हैं लेक्चर नंबर 30। सो टॉपिक का नाम है फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा एज लैंग्वेज रिकॉग्नाइजर। तो फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा एज लैंग्वेज रिकॉग्नाइजर्स के अंदर वी फर्स्ट डिफाइन सेवरल वेरिएशंस ऑफ द फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा distinguished by the properties of the transition function. First of all, finite automata. Let A equals to Q T Q naught delta F. It is a finite automata recognizer where Q is the finite set of inner state, T is the input or tape, alphabet Q naught belongs to Q is the initial state, and F subset of Q is the set of final or accepting state, and delta is the transition function as follows. Delta / Q cross T union lambda tends to 2 raised to power Q for non-deterministic finite automata with allowed lambda transitions. Delta colon Q cross 2 tends to 2 raised to power Q for non-deterministic finite automata without lambda transitions. Delta semicolon Q cross T tends to Q for deterministic finite automata lambda can be partially defined. Delta / Q cross T tends to Q for completely defined deterministic finite automata. It is not allowed that delta is partially function. It must be completely defined. This way we define different terms. One can observe that the second variation is special case of first one, not having lambda transition. The third variation is a special case of the second one, having sets with at most one element as images of the transition function, while the fourth case is more specific, allowing set exactly with one element. One can imagine a finite automata as a machine equipped with an input tape. The machine works on a discrete time scale. At every point of time, the machine is in one of its state. Then it reads the next letter on the tape, the letter under the reading head, or maybe nothing, or in the first variations, and according to the transition function, depending on the actual state and the letter being read, if any, it goes to the next state. If it may happen in some variation that there is no transition defined for the actual state and later, then the machine gets stuck and cannot continue its run. तो फाइनाइट स्टेट ऑटोमेटा के अंदर क्या होता है कि इनपुट टेप के साथ में एक होता है द मशीन वर्क्स ऑन ए डिस्क्रीट टाइम स्केल पर वर्क करती है मशीन, जो एवरी पॉइंट होता है मशीन के अंदर वन ऑफ इट्स स्टेट, वो स्टेट में से एक होता है और रीड किया जाता है नेक्स्ट लेटर ऑन द टेप. इसके बाद मे बी नथिंग एंड देन अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन इट गोज टू नेक्स्ट स्टेट में जाता है. देन सम वेरिएशन दैट देयर इज नो ट्रांजिशन डिफाइंड फॉर द एक्चुअल स्टेट एंड लेटर, देन द मशीन गेट स्टक एंड कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू इट्स रन. जब कोई भी स्टेट नहीं बचता है उसके बाद मशीन स्टॉप हो जाती है और रन नहीं करती है. There are two widely used ways to present automata, by Cayley tables or by graphs. When an automata is given by a Cayley table, then the 0th line and the 0th column of the table are reserved for the state and the alphabet respectively, and it is marked in the 0th element of the 0th row. In some cases, it is more convenient to put the states in the 0th row, while in some cases, it is better choice to put the alphabet there. We will look at both possibilities. The initial state should be the first among the state. It is advisable to mark it by a arrow sign also. The final state should also be marked. They should be circled. The transition function is written into the table. The elements of the set delta QA are written, if any, in the field of the column and row marked by the state Q and by the letter A. In the case when lambda transition are also allowed, then the 0th row or the column that contains the symbols of the alphabet should be extended by the empty word lambda also. The lambda transition can also be indicated in the table. Automata can also be defined in a graphical way. lets the vertices, nodes that are drawn as the circle in this case of a graph, represent the states of the automata. We may write the names of the states into the circle. The initial state is marked by the arrow going to it, not from a node. The accepting states are marked by double circles. The labeled arc edge of the graph represent the transitions of the automata. If P belongs to delta QA, for some PQ belongs to Q and A belongs to T union lambda, then there is an edge from the circle representing state Q to the circle representing state P, and this edge is labeled by A. Note that our graph concept is wider than their usual digraph concept, since it allows the multiple edges connected to states. In most cases, these multiple edges are drawn as normal edges having more than one labels. In this way, implicitly, the alphabet is also given by the graph. Only those letters are used in the automata which appear as label on the edges. In order to provide even more clarification, we present an example. We describe the same non-deterministic automata both by a table and by a graph. Let an automata be defined by following Cayley table. TQ, here is given A, B and C. Then arrow Q0, Q1, Q0, Q0, Q1, Q1, Q0, Q2, and Q2, Q2, Q3, and Q3. Q2 is the transition function and Q3 is the output function. So the graph representation of the same automata, and the graph of the automata is given in this way. This page is given of this table. Graph of this table given this way. These automata are used to accept word and thus languages. Definition: language accepted by the finite automata. Let A equals to Q, T, Q0, delta F be an automata and W belongs to T star be an input word. We say that W is accepted by A if there is a run of automata. There is an alternative sequence Q0, T1, Q1 up to Qk minus 1 Tk Qk of state and transition that start with the initial state Q0. Qi belongs to Q. For every I, they are not necessarily distinct. Example, Qi equals to Pj is allowed even if I not equals to j, and for every of its transition Ti of the sequence. Ti colon Qi belongs to delta Qi minus 1 Ai in non-deterministic cases, and Ti equals colon Qi equals to delta Qi minus 1 Ai in deterministic cases, where A1 to Ak equals to Wi and Qk belongs to A. This run is called an accepting run. All words that A accept from LA, the language accepted and recognized by automata. And example, let A be the automata. Down the next animation, we show a non-accepting run of non-deterministic automata and with lambda transition. This way, this lecture is completed. In this lecture, we study about the finite state language recognizers and different language that is accepted by the finite state machine. So thank you all of you.